Okay. So what is there in aldehydes and ketones? There are many reactions. Some reactions are very important. Generally in exam they ask you questions based on this. Okay. So today's chapter is aldehydes and ketones, as well as carboxylic acid. Aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid. Okay. So what do you mean by aldehydes ketones? For that purpose, let us understand what do you mean by carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound are those organic compounds which has a functional group carbonyl. Carbonyl stand for C double bond O. This group is called as carbonyl group. Okay, this group is called as carbonyl group. So if I say R and if I say this G, this R stand for alkyl group and this G stand for any other group. Okay. So depending upon the presence of this group, they are classified as follows. And I'll say this is a big class of organic compounds, a very big class. Okay. Now I'm saying big class, I'll write it now here. When I say G is equal to H, so the structure become RC double bond OH. These are nothing but aldehydes. Aldehydes. In IUPAC, they are called as alkanal. Okay. Next one. When I say this G is equal to R dash, that is other alkyl group, then the formula becomes RC double bond O R dash. Okay. R C double bond O R dash. So ketone. So they are named as alkanone. Okay. Next one. Now instead of R dash, now this G is equal to now OH. Okay. So the formula becomes RC double bond OH. This is called as carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, which are also called as alkanoic acid. When I say G is equal to OR dash, alkoxy group. So the structure is RC double bond O OR dash. So that is called as ester. Ester. Okay. This is called as alkyl, alkanoate, alkyl, alkanoate. Okay. Then we have, suppose we have G is equal to NH2 there. Then R C double bond O NH2. This is called as amide. CONH2 group is called the amide. Alkanamide. Okay, this hydrogen can be replaced by alkyl group. They are called the substituted amides. Next one is halogen. that is RC double bond OCl. This is called as acid chloride. IUPAC name alkanoyl chloride. Alkanoyl chloride. Okay. When I say G is equal to OC double bond OR. So the structure is R C double bond O O C double bond OR. This is called as acid anhydride. Okay, this is called the alkanoyl anhydride. Alkanoic anhydride. So these are main classes of all organic compounds containing carbonyl group, and all these compounds we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, write down this. So we are discussing here the common nomenclature. So what I am saying, aldehydes are precursors, or aldehydes on oxidation gives you carboxylic acid. So the name of a carboxylic acid, okay, is used to give the name of aldehyde, common name of aldehyde. For example, this one. So its acid is formic acid. Hence, in common nomenclature system, this is called as formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay. Next one is CH3CHO. Now the acid is acetic acid. Hence, the name is acetaldehyde. CH3, CH2, CHO. So this is propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Then CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. This is called the N-butyraldehyde. Butyraldehyde. Okay. Then CH3, CH3, CHO. So since there is a branch, second last carbon पे एक methyl group है, it is called as isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. Then we have CH3, CH2, 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 5 carbon atom. So the name is N-valeraldehyde. N-valeraldehyde. Then CH3, CH3, CH2, CHO. Second last carbon methyl group. Hence the name is isovaleraldehyde. Okay. If I am writing CH3, now CH2, 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 CH2 4 times. So I am just writing this way 4 times. CHO. So total 6 carbon atom. This is called as a capraldehyde. Capraldehyde. Okay, capraldehyde. Then we have this structure CHO. This is called the benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay, so these are all aldehydes. Please write down these names. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी कीटोन्स में कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. ओके, एग्जांपल है कॉमन नॉमेनक्लेचर सिस्टम, कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ फ्यू कीटोन्स. सो जैसे फर्स्ट मेंबर है इसका दिस. Now, if you observe carefully, अल्डिहाइड्स और कीटोन में एक डिफरेंस है. अल्डिहाइड्स में एटलीस्ट वन हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनिल कार्बन को अटैच होना जरूरी है, और कीटोन्स में बोथ द अल्काइल ग्रुप, मतलब टू अल्काइल ग्रुप्स आर डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड टू कार्बोनिल कार्बन. ओके, तो इसका नाम कैसे देते हैं? कॉमन नेम. द नेम ऑफ अल्काइल ग्रुप, जैसे हम लोगों ने ईथर में नाम दिया था ना कॉमन नेम, सेम वे हियर. दो मिथाइल ग्रुप है, hence the name is dimethyl ketone. This is called as dimethyl ketone. हाँ, but commercially it is famous by this name, acetone. Nail polish remover है ये. Okay, acetone. Suppose if I am writing C2H5 C double bond O CH3. So according to the alphabetical order, ethyl, methyl, ketone. Now you may find the commercial name for various ketones, but we do not require that. वो Google करोगे तो तुम लोग को मिल जाए, but it is not required. So exam point of view अगर मैं देखूँ तो dimethyl ketone और acetone ये important है. Beside that, there is one more example, C double bond OCH3. This is called as acetophenone. Acetophenone. Then we have this is called as benzophenone. Two benzene ring. Aceto group is attached. So acetophenone. These are important. Write down this. So when I upload the notes, that time you'll find some more examples of aldehydes and ketones, the common one. Now let us go further. Next one, that is IUPAC nomenclature. So before I proceed that, remember this: aldehydes and ketones are functional isomers of each other. Functional isomers of each other. Okay, this is the first point. Now in ketones, aldehydes में position isomers possible नहीं. Position रहेंगे तो not with respect to aldehyde group, because aldehyde group हमेशा end में ही आता है. Ketones में yes, position of functional group मतलब position isomers possible है. In ketones, position isomerism and metamerism is possible. Okay, so let us understand now few examples. First of all, I will explain you the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes. हम लोग aldehydes के बारे में बात करें. If I talk about HCHO, ऐसे लिखते हैं HCHO. Remember this thing, aldehyde group. In IUPAC, count the number of carbon atoms, including the aldehydic carbon. इसमें एक carbon है. Name the alkane. So ये हो गया methane. So alkane का E end में जो आएगा ना, that is replaced by Al. As the name is methanol. Then CH3, CHO. इसको बोलते हैं ethanol. Then we have CH3, CH2, CHO. This is called as propanol. Okay. Then CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. This is called as butanol. Okay. Now, if you observe, aldehyde group is always present at the end of the carbon. Therefore, there is no need to indicate aldehyde group with a number. अभी एक एग्जांपल देखो और. तो अभी इसको मैं नंबर दूंगा 1, 2, 3 to indicate the position of methyl. Hence the name is 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. Okay. Now अभी कुछ मैं exceptional electronic configuration बता रहा हूँ. Sorry, exceptional nomenclature बता रहा हूँ. Exceptional nomenclature मतलब वो IUPAC का ही है, but थोड़ा अलग है. For example, समझो ये एक स्ट्रक्चर है. समझो ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर है. Now in this case, देखो aldehyde अगर मैं बोलूं 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 now if this is the situation, मतलब अगर देखो सब में aldehyde group आ रहा है, ये भले ही ऐसा है, but formyl group मतलब ये aldehyde group is a part of this ring also. So what IUPAC is saying, exclude all aldehyde group and consider only alkane chain. So ये सिर्फ कंसिडर करना है. इसको नंबर करो 1 2 3 and see the name. The name is propane 1, 2, 3 try carbaldehyde. So यहाँ पे instead of all we are using this suffix. What is that? Carbaldehyde. Is that clear? Propane 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 try carbaldehyde. Write down. Chalo. Now, one more example I want to give you here. Now, just look at this structure. It is a cyclohexane to which the aldehyde group is present. है ना? Now, ऐसा देखा जाए तो इसमें 7 कार्बन है ना, तो बोलने वाले लोग क्या बोलेंगे? साइक्लोहेप्टेन aldehyde और हेप्टेनाल. But the problem is that ये जो कार्बन है, this carbon is not the part of this closed chain, so I cannot include it as cyclo. So what IUPAC is suggesting, write down the name cyclohexane जैसे हम लोग लिखते हैं वैसे, and now use the suffix carbaldehyde. So this is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. This is the nomenclature. Okay, थोड़ा यह अलग nomenclature system है. ये लिख लेना. Now ketones के केस में जैसे फर्स्ट अपना एग्जांपल है CH3 C double bond O CH3. So the name is propanone. Propanone. Okay, see E is replaced by ON. Then CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. This is butanone. Then CH3 C double bond O CH3 and CH3. So number double bond O को preference दिया जाएगा. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hence the name is 3-methyl butanone or butane 2O. ऐसे लिखेंगे. ठीक है. चलो फिर मैं तुम लोग को एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. Write all possible isomers of a molecular formula C5H10O. Okay, C5H10O. अच्छा, इसमें यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ only aldehydes and ketones. तो अगर तुम लोग ये बना सकते हो, what we call it as a stereoisomers भी है, तो वो भी काउंट करना. राइट डाउन. चलो कितने आंसर कितने आ रहे आइसोमर्स मेरे को बताओ. कुलकर्णी साहेब, टॉपर आहात तुम्ही गेल्या लेक्चरचे, गेल्या एक्झामचे. तो जरा बताओ
हाँ सर करते हैं.
कसा टॉपर झालास तुला माहिती आता. काय कुलकर्णी?
सर एक सेकंड सर.
चल मला आंसर पाहिजे. कुलकर्णी विल एक्सप्लेन अस. ए साइक्लो कैसे आएगा कार्तिक? उसका डीयू कितना है, 2 या 1 है?
Oh, sorry, sir. My bad.
सो जब भी मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला दिया जाएगा ना, तो पहले डीयू निकालना होता है. हाँ, लेट मी चेक. यस यस करेक्ट. हे काय आहे कुलकर्णी, हे काय आहे? एन काय आहे? एन स्मॉल एन काय आहे? चेक कर जरा फॉर्म्युला. यस 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 सोहम. नाही, रॉंग फॉर्म्युला आहे तो. अरे संदेश भाऊ IUPAC नाव लिहायचं. हे काय आहे फालतू लिहिलंय? काय आहे? व्हॉट इज दिस नॉनसेन्स? हा, अभी मैं आन्सर्स बता रहा हूं. काय कुलकर्णी पुढे गाडी गेली नाही. डीयू नंतर किती आला, डीयू किती आला. यार टॉपर लोकांना सगळे यायला पाहिजे. सो सो नाउ इसका डीयू कैसे निकालते हैं हम लोग. How will you calculate DU, degree of unsaturation? So degree of unsaturation, number of carbon atoms 5 plus 1 minus number of hydrogen 10 divided by 2. So कितना आएगा, 1 आएगा. And that 1 is present in the form of C double bond O. इसलिए मैंने क्या बोला कि इसको अल्डिहाइड्स कीटोन से निकालने हैं. एक तो पहले हम लोग अल्डिहाइड्स के स्ट्रक्चर निकालते हैं. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So here we have a CHO. This is called as pentanal. And the next one is 1 2 3 4, and here I am writing CHO. अभी कुछ लोग इसको आइसो लिखेंगे, नहीं, ये नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4. So this is 3-methyl butanol. Okay, इस मिथाइल ग्रुप को यहाँ पे लेके जाता हूं मैं. यहाँ पे 2-methyl butanol, और ये हो जाएगा 3-methyl butanol. This one is what? 3-methyl butanol. Okay. Next one. Abhi, this one, 2,2 dimethyl propanol. 2,2 dimethyl propanol. So pentanol, butanol, 3-methyl butanol, और ये हो गया 2,2 डाइमिथाइल प्रोपेन. अच्छा, इसमें ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर किधर है, ये देखो, दिस कार्बन एटम इज कायरल कार्बन, है ना. देयरफॉर इसमें 2 आइसोमर्स रहेंगे, इसमें एक आइसोमर रहेगा, इसमें भी एक ही आइसोमर रहेगा, और इसमें भी एक, और कुछ एल्डिहाइड बन रहा है. एनीबॉडी गॉट अदर देन दिस? Okay. Now let us go. Anybody got aldehyde other than this?
3-methyl butanol.
लीला ना, देखा है 3-methyl butanol.
हाँ, okay.
2-methyl butanol, pentanol, 2,2-dimethyl butanol, propanol. Sorry, propanol. Now let us go for the ketone. Ketone के लिए क्या करने का? Ketone में first of all you write down C double bond O. Okay, So कितने carbon बचे? 4. So you write 1 carbon on this side. So CH3 and the 3 carbon atoms on this side. So I have CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is called as pentane. 2-ol. Okay. Similarly, I can draw a structure like this way also. This way also, right? इसका नाम क्या होगा? 3-methyl butane 2-ol. Now 1 carbon I am bringing on this side. So I have CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This is called as pentane 3-ol. Pentane 3-ol. That's it. इतने ही बनेंगे. और है क्या एग्जाम्पल इसमें? Anybody got other than this? अच्छा, इसमें ये कार्बन कायरल कार्बन है ना, तो इसमें 2 आइसोमर्स बनेंगे. दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज 1. सो ये 4 हो गए, 5 यहाँ पे, 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9 आइसोमर्स बन रहे. ओके, एनीबडी इज गेटिंग अदर देन दिस? राइट डाउन.
सर
हाँ,
तो कार्बनला 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप्स आहे.
कुठला रे? अरे हाँ, सॉरी. Yes, thank you very much. So here we have only one. So total 8 isomers. Total 8 isomers are possible. Now let us go for the methods of preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. So methods of preparations of aldehydes and ketones. In that, so there are various methods of preparations. Here we have some name reactions are also we have to discuss. So these are all methods of preparations of aldehydes as well as ketones. That is first from alcohol by oxidation, from geminal dihalide, from calcium salt of fatty acid, or by dry distillation or pyrolysis, from unsaturated hydrocarbon, from alkyl nitrile and ester, from Grignard reaction, from aromatic hydrocarbons, and from acyl chloride. The first one, which we discussed already, that is oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation of alcohol. As we know that oxidation of alcohol, aldehydes are obtained because of oxidation of primary alcohol. Aldehydes are obtained because of oxidation of primary alcohol. Okay, and ketones are obtained due to the oxidation of secondary alcohol. So here I am writing primary alcohols RCH2OH. On oxidation gives you RCHO plus H2O. And for ketones, we have RCHOH, R dash, which on oxidation gives you RC double bond O R dash plus H2O. So this is nothing but what? Ketone. This is nothing but what? Aldehyde. Okay. So what are the oxidizing agents? Here the oxidizing agents we are using here, they are weak oxidizing agents. Now why weak oxidizing agent? Because if you oxidize by acidified potassium dichromate or KMNO4 or HNO3, what will happen? Aldehydes further undergo oxidation. Aldehydes further undergo oxidation, giving you carboxylic acid. And therefore, we are using weak oxidizing agents like pyridinium chlorochromate or pyridinium dichromate. Okay, pyridinium chlorochromate or pyridinium dichromate. I'll write there. Okay, for ketones चल जाएगा preparation के लिए. For aldehydes we cannot use. So यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ for preparation of aldehydes, pyridinium chlorochromate, okay, it is famous by this PCC, or pyridinium dichromate, which is called as PDC. So for preparation of aldehydes, pyridinium chlorochromate or pyridinium dichlorochromate are used. Even anhydrous chromic acid or anhydrous CrO2, okay, are used. For preparation of ketones, K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium or KMNO4 in acidic medium at room temperature are used. समझ में आया? लिख लो ये पहले. चलो डन.
हा सर.
Just
घ्यायचं अजून.
हो last line. Done, sir.
सर एक सेकंड ना लास्ट.
Who is out? Done ना.
Yes sir.
चलो take the examples now. What happens when first one ethanol is treated with PCC. Second one propanol, propanol is treated with PDC. Third one propanol is treated with KMnO4 H2SO4 at room temperature. Fourth one this is called as benzyl alcohol. किया हम लोगों ने, एक बार वापस समझा. Benzyl alcohol that is treated with PCC. Fifth one Cl aqueous KOH A K2Cr2O7 H plus B. Complete the reaction. Yes guys, done? हो गया? This is quite simple. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? ये तो सिंपल है, CH3CH2OH. So that will give you what? CH3CHO PCC, और इसको ना ऐसे लिखते हैं, nascent oxide. Okay, then propane 1R. So we have CH3 CH2 CH2OH, propane 1R. Oxidation, we have CH3 CH2 CHO. Then propane 2R, CH3 CHOH CH3, KMNO4 H2SO4. So nascent oxygen, so we have what? CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is nothing but acetone. Then here we have, I'm writing directly the product. This is benzaldehyde. And what about here? Here I am getting OH. Cl is replaced by OH, which on oxidation. So in general, I'll say primary alcohol on oxidation gives you aldehydes, while secondary alcohols on oxidation gives you ketones. In general हो गया. Primary alcohol on oxidation gives you aldehyde, and secondary alcohols on oxidation gives you ketones. Okay, please note down this. So benzaldehyde and acetophenone, these are the common names, but still they are used in a IUPAC. Okay, so you will find many times the benzaldehyde used as a common name as well as IUPAC name. चलो नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन हम लोग देखते हैं अभी. हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ जेमिनल डाइहैलाइड. अच्छा, उसमें और एक रिएजेंट है, जस्ट ऐड दैट. मैं यहाँ पे ये नोट लिख रहा हूँ, नोट वापस एक बार. सो just write down this note. So aldehydes can be prepared from primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol can be oxidized to ketones by oxidation with pyridinium chlorochromate in dichlorodimethyl sulfur methylene chloride solvent, pyridinium dichromate, and with a Jones reagent. Jones reagent is CrO3 plus H2SO4 in acetone. Write down this. Jones reagent एक additional है यहाँ पे. और एक reagent भी है that is used for the preparation of aldehydes only. So this is the additional information which is not there for the boards. Boards के लिए नहीं है ये. ये लिख के हो गया. Have you done this? ये देखो ये एक है. So primary alcohols get oxidized with CrO3 pyridine. Okay, भाई जो pyridium chlorochromate का ही part है, but if you use anhydrous chromic oxide, this is called the Collins reagent, or Ag, silver plus oxygen. Primary alcohol gives you aldehyde. This gives you a good yield of aldehyde. So it is used for the preparation of aldehydes only at 250 degrees Celsius. हाँ ये याद रखना, Collins reagent याद रखना. Collins reagent is also used to oxidize primary alcohol into aldehyde. Second method of preparation, hydrolysis of geminal dihalide. I hope you know what do you mean by geminal dihalide. Two halogen atoms attached to the same carbon atom. Two halogen atoms attached to the same carbon atom. देखो कैसे होगा, समझो मैंने ये geminal dihalide. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So there is a nucleophilic substitution by OH minus. So one of the X minus is replaced by what? OH minus. So we have C, X, here we have a OH, like this way, right? Now in the next step, say in presence of OH minus, what will happen? This bond will move away and this will shift over here. So that we have now C double bond OH. Oxygen is trivalent. So it carries a positive charge. Now another OH base is going to react, which takes away this proton. So there is a loss of H2O. And therefore we have C double bond O, carbonyl. Okay. ये actual mechanism है उसका. यहाँ पे formation of carbonyl group because of the nucleophilic substitution. Okay. So if I say examples, number 1, CH3, CHCl2. The name of this compound is ethylidene. Common name बता रहा हूँ, ethylidene dichloride or 1,1-dichloroethene. Second one is isopropylidene dichloride. isopropylidene dichloride. React with aqueous KOH. This will also react with aqueous KOH. Next one is third example. Fourth example. Excess of HBr. A, which one? Aqueous KOH. So answer. So what are the things? यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? CH3CHO. If you want, you can write this way also. Huh? It was said that in a 2OH group bonded with the same carbon atom, that compound is unstable. ये ऐसे H2O चला जाता है, तो ऐसे भी हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, मतलब ऐसे गवर्नमेंट टेक्स्ट बुक में ऐसे दिया है, राइट, बट एक्चुअल मैकेनिज्म ऐसे होता है. एसिटोफिनोन नहीं होना है ना. हियर सेम थिंग ना, CH3OH OH and CH3, so that we are getting CH3C double bond O CH3. So in the next case, third case, how will you get acetophenone? Acetophenone मिलने का चांस है ही नहीं ना इसमें. यहाँ पे Br है, यहाँ पे Br है, aqueous NaOH और KOH. So the product is what? OH, OH, loss of H2O. Correct. This is nothing but cyclohexanone. कार्तिक है ना तू इधर?
हाँ सर, इधर ही हूँ.
CH3C triple bond CH when react with HBr. चालेल, येत असेल तर चालेल, पण आपण तयार केलेलं बरं ना, प्रॅक्टिस करतो ना आपण. अभी इसमें मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल फॉलो होगा. CH3CBr double bond CH2, but I said excess na, so another HBr get added, same Markovnikov rule, so that this gives you what? ऐसे मिलेगा. और इसका अगर मैं हाइड्रोलिसिस करूंगा, aqueous KOH के साथ, then the product is CH3C double bond O CH3, acetone मिलेगा. Okay. हो गया सबका लिख के? What is the next reaction? क्या है? Terminology. Calcium salt of fatty acid. इसको ड्राई डिस्टिलेशन भी बोलते हैं. Okay, here we stop for today. Next lecture में हम लोग करेंगे बहुत सारे reactions हो गए है ना. So in the next lecture we'll discuss this. Okay, आगे के method of preparation. चलो, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Bye.
sir.